All right, welcome back. So this is
we still have our Shopkins shopping list.
we sure do. This is part 2 of our video, the surprise video. So let's get started. What do you want to do first?
That McStuffins one.
Doc McStuffins. So let's look at the back and see what we can get.
You can get Lammy.
Who's Hootsburg? Is that a new character? We haven't watched Doc
Callie,
McStuffins in a long time.
Callie, Millie, Mr. Chomp, Stuffy,
I like Stuffy.
Squeakers, Lammy, Susie, Sunshine, Bronte, Lammy, Teddy, Stuffy, Lammy.
All right, so I want the exclusive Stuffy. That's what I hope for.
I want the exclusive Lammy.
There's no Doc? Really? That's weird.
I bet there's one in Series 1.
It's kind of how, like, with some of the My Little Ponies, there's no Rainbow Dash.
Mr. Chomp.
Mr. Chomp. Mr. Chomp. Chomp.
It wasn't what you guessed for or me.
Yeah, we didn't either. I didn't guess it, or you didn't guess it either, did you? This is kind of cool. This thing's heavy. Mr. Chomp. Chomp. So we're gonna open this guy up yet? Right now? All right.
We now have another Polished Girl.
Who?
Taylor Rain.
Taylor Rain?
Polished Girl.
What's the name though? These are kind of cool. Look, it's kind of like us.
Yeah.
Like that would be you. This would be me.
That is...
Kind of you. Alright, so who is this guy?
That is Chatter.
Chatter? Oh. You know, this is what phones used to look like when I was a kid.
That is Queen of Tarts.
Queen of who?
Tarts.
Tarts. Like Queen of Hearts, but instead it's I'm the Queen of Tarts. Hattie Hat.
Wow.
Oh, so we have another Hattie Hat, huh? Just a different color?
Wild
2 Hattie
Carrot.
Hats. And we have another Wild Carrot. We have a duplicate of this.
Yes.
Wild Carrot. I like it though.
Hunt.
Humpty Dumpling again. Friends. How many others have them?
We're lucky.
Candy apple.
We're lucky.
We're lucky what? It's not the same color?
Yeah.
So this is Susie Sushi.
You love sushi.
I love sushi, you're right.
So you probably love that one.
Not like this though. I don't really like rolls like this. Shuzan. So we have 2 of these. Where's my?
We can put
They're
them
just different
together.
colors.
We
don't
can
match. We're with the same thing. So, is it blind bag time? Alright, so let me help you out. I'll cut it for you. Uh-oh. Who is that?
Windy wedding cake.
Windy wedding cake. That's a beautiful cake. What do you
Is
think?
this the wedding cake you had at your wedding?
No, but it looks kind of like it. I'll open this guy up for you.
That's a small one.
Who's this?
Have this one.
Who is that?
Creamy cookie.
Creamy cookie. Ooh, that looks good. Creamy cookie.
It has a little... Oh, this is a chocolate frosted Shopkins.
It is. It is one of the chocolate.
It's a ultra rare.
They are ultra rare, huh?
There.
This.
Oh, open this.
Open up right now.
Okay. It comes with 2 sheets of stickers, of course the fridge, and 6 mini Shopkins eggs, 2 Shopkins bags, 6 mini eggs. Okay, let's put this one in the freezer. Close it up. Put the cup in there. And...
What do? We just push it? Hey, got some ice in there. What kind of Shopkins are these?
They're season 1. This is Soda Pop.
Pretty cool.
Soda Pop.
What's the other one's name?
Maybe Yoki.
Alright guys, join us on the 3rd video where we open up... What are we opening?
Ice cream truck.
Scoops.
And a share of Callie's Wild West blind bag. And...
another 12-pack of Season 3 Shopkins.